Yeah. So what is act and rule, and how many sections and rules are available in it? So act is nothing but it will tell you what to do. Means every person who has a total income exceed the slab rate limit, then he has to deduct the TDS and he has to file his income tax return within the due date. So this anyone know what is the section about this one? If you know, just type in the chat box. So the section number is 139. So in 139, it's talk about the who has to file the IT return. So this is about what to do. So Act will always tell you what to do. And if you go to the rules, so rules say how to do it. Means your income is cross this slab limit. Now you have to file the IT return. So it's Act says, and rule says how which ITR form you have to select and how to file it. So that's talk about the rule. So there are multiple rules like 12AC, 8D, 8A, and 2DA. So multiple rules are available for different filing things. So these two cannot be come together because Act is separate and rules are separate. So Act only say what to do and rules say how to do it. So that you can keep in mind and it will be better for you. Now in income tax, there are around 298 sections. I think Srinivas given the correct answer. Thank you for that. So it's around 298 sections available in Income Tax Act. And there are multiple subsections also. So it will take huge time to study everything. But when you try to start learn daily one section, it will be very helpful for you. Not only income tax, if you want to get expert in GST also, you try to learn one section daily. Within a year, you will be in a good position. Yeah. So income tax section 281 and rules around 131 rules are there. And in GST around 161 rules, in income tax 131 rules. So when you study the sections side by side, try to study the rules also. And you can visit to the incometaxindia.gov. Incometaxindia.gov. So where you will get multiple things about the all these sections and rules. So this is about the income tax acts and rules and sections and rules.